Having two feeders made a lot of sense when I saw Ronan DeBarra with his two feeders. I said, I got to get on top of that. And now they are much more relaxed eating. It's not such a stressful activity when you got 80 birds eating out of a 24-inch dish. Now you got 80 of them eating out of two 24-inch dishes, and they're separated. Each one gets a chance to eat. They can produce their offspring. I'm looking to have a productive year with these guys. So far, the first two were not successful, but that's only because I'm already familiar with those two pigeons. But tonight, they're going out. Hopefully, no rain. They are all in the screen out here in the trap. Yep. There they go. They're out in their trap. And I don't think there's that. Oh, yeah, look at them. They prefer to be out here than eating. Look at those guys. Yeah. So stay tuned. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and the notification button. There goes a few chickens just for you chicken lovers.